Let's do a quick chat on temperature conversions. Now, when we talk about temperature conversions, we're talking about either, oops, wrong button. We're talking about like Fahrenheit, so if we're in degrees Fahrenheit or degrees Celsius, and jumping back and forth between the two. Now, we do have formulas for this. So, one thing to note, I'm on the wrong spot, is that, okay, so our two formulas. First, Fahrenheit is the same as 9/5 times Celsius plus 32, meaning if you have Celsius and you want Fahrenheit, that's the one that you use because you have the C. So you plug in the value for Celsius and you find the Fahrenheit. The other formula is Celsius equals 5/9 times the quantity F minus 32. So this is if you have Fahrenheit and want Celsius. So that's the difference between the two formulas. We'll do an example of each. So let's convert 58 degrees Celsius to Fahrenheit. So notice we have Celsius. If we have Celsius and we want Fahrenheit, so whatever you want is the formula that you want by itself. So F equals 9/5 C plus 32. So now we take our 58 degrees and we plug it in for Celsius. So we have 9/5 times 58 plus 32. So now in your calculator, when you're doing this portion here, remember that 9/5 is the same as 9 divided by 5, and then you multiply by 58. So you can do that all at the same time. So you put that into your calculator, go ahead and hit plus 32, and that will give you a 136.4 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's do one more. So now we're going to start with Fahrenheit. So let's convert 86 degrees Fahrenheit to Celsius. So now, and I spelled that wrong. So we're now going to change to Celsius, which means we want C equals 5/9 times the quantity F minus 32. And that quantity is super important because remember the order of operation tells us we have to do what's inside parentheses first. So this 86 degrees Fahrenheit, the first thing we're going to do is substitute that in for F. So we're going to have 5/9 times 86 minus 32. So again, order of operations is important. So we're going to do 86 minus 32, which gives us 54. So I'm going to take 5/9 times 54. So again, in your calculator, you can take 5 divided by 9 times 54, just nice in order, and it'll give you a nice, easy 30 degrees Celsius. So that's kind of just a quick how to use those formulas. As long as you remember what do you need to go to, that's the piece that's going to be by itself. You really can use either formula because they are just inverses of each other, but that's kind of the basic idea on temperature.